How to integrate Avada SEO with Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to install the Avada SEO image optimizer into your Shopify store. So we are going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to find the admin dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to find this dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to click on the search bar at the header and type in Avada, just like that. And from here, we're going to click on Search Avada in Shopify App Store. So it is going to open up a window to the App Store and you're going to see all the products from Avada. Basically, we're going to only focus on one product and it is Avada SEO Image Optimizer. Click on it. Then we're going to find the description of the app. Basically, this app is going to be a help for the SEO optimization for your website or the store viewers. What is the SEO? It is going to be an abbreviation for search engine optimization. And this means that you're going to get the help from this app to optimize not only the images, but all the HTML sitemaps or the URL sitemaps, fixing broken links, having site verification, assuring the search appearance in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and etc. Also, it is going to check out for the 404 pages and create some 301 or 301 redirects. So it is going to be having your website ranking higher after it is going to have some analysis going on into your website, having some images, let's say here reduced with the let's say the weight or the size of them, so your website is going to be search engine friendly and it is going to load fast the pages, the images, and everything. So we're going to click on install on this app. We have took our time to explain the app from here. Now we're going to click on install, just like that. Wait for a few seconds, and we're going to have it right away. So this is the confirmation of the installation. We're going to have it from here. I'm going to pin it to our navigation because we do not want to lose it from here. So as you can see, we're going to choose the first step, which is choosing the help that you need. So we have three important things for the SEO. We have the audit content. We have also the speed up my store and optimize images, improve site search, or the SERP. So depending on your needs, all the three of them are going to have the SEO success or the SEO optimized. So basically, we're going to choose one of the plans that are available here. So I'm going to choose depending on my needs. For example, I need to speed up more my store and optimize the images. I'm going to click on the next step. Then we're going to select one of the three plans that are available. Of course, we're going to have the annually promotion, also the monthly subscriptions. But instead of having the paid plans right away, I can go ahead and continue as a free. And then I can go ahead and have, for example, the speed up of the images, the image compression. We are going to have up to 100 image. Basic speed ups we are going to have from the search appearances like the Google structured data, meta tags, the alternative optimization, the AI generating, we have some credits. The other SEO tools are going to be also available in the free plan. For the Pro and the Enterprise plan, it is going to be something that will be at your needs. So if you're going to have some premium features and you really want to shine up your store into the competition, you need to have at least the Pro plan. And then you're going to have it with a free trial if you want to test it out. If it is going to be worth it and you see it worth it, go ahead and pick up the annually plan of the Pro plan because it is going to be more valuable. Now I'm going to click on continue as free. So here we have things. So we're going to have also the AI tool that will help you write better product description, etc. It is going to be a promotion going on for the new app with the help of the AI. Click on free to install or install it if you want to generate some SEO descriptions. Basically, you are going to need that. It is going to be all AI. The AI know what is going on, what is perfect for you, what is not, and then we're going to have everything set up. So the first thing that we're going to find on this dashboard is going to be the SEO score. So you're going to have the SEO score of your website by checked by the analytics of course, the web search or the search engines. So if you're going to have something like the score is medium or mediocre or low, you need to get some help. For example, you can view the checklists and then you're going to have everything. You can go ahead and have the issues, the improvement, as you can see, and also the good results. So for the issues, you can find the issues like this. You can have them right there and set up the issues. Like the here I have some meta description missing out on 2 pages on the home page and also the collection page. We have the image alternatives or alternative distributing or disputes are missing on some images. As you can see on the home page and also on the collection page, you can go ahead and click on fix and it will take you right away to the issue and you're going to solve it. After this collection content blog page, you need a blog post or create a blog. As you can see, rating and reviews, structured data is going to be a magnet for the trust of the new clients. Some improvements, as you can see, meta title length, it is going to be from here. You're going to get the recommendation and also you can find the good results and the bad results. That was pretty much it for the overall score. So basically, you can go ahead and head over the SEO checklist at any time. You can click on the SEO and SGE audit, and then it is going to put the on-page score for each one of the product pages, the collection, the blog post, and the pages overall. So you can have here the score, and you need to fix up the scores. So you're going to click on the product, for example, to take you right there to the product, and you're going to get the widget going on here. So it is going to give you the full help in anything. So for the issues, improvement, and the good results, you're going to find them here. So you're not going to read only the problem and not get the solution or the widget to set it up in just few seconds. So basically you're going to find everything that you need from the technical issues, the content issues like the text length, the use of main keywords, FAQ optimization. You do not have in my case the FAQ schema markup, and we need at least 3 FAQs set up for this product. Basically it is going to set up or analyze everything into one place. You can modify it at the specific editor that you have from Avada SEO suite. You can find the main keyword, you can set up the focus keyword, you can use Google Trend to have the keywords, and it is not going to be deceiving, I promise you that. So aside from that, you're going to find the meta tags, which are going to be very needed. We have the optimization of the URL handle. You can see that we're going to find this one, for example, like that. You can go ahead and have this set up from here. So the handle is going to be something like that. You can get the suggestion for a handle, but it is going to be a pro feature. It says why I told you that you need to see if you need the pro feature. Now also for the meta tags, you can generate the credits right there for the custom metadata. You can activate that for the meta title, the meta description. Also could be AI generated. I'm not going to tell you that you need to trust all of the AI content that you have, but basically you're going to moderate it whenever you're going to put it. Now, as you can see here, we have the URL redirect for example, here, you're going to have something like that. And at the end, for the compression of the images, it is going to be very good. And uh, aside from that, you're going to have also the speed up process. I'm going to save up here the things. So we're going to head over the speed up. As you can see, now we have the speed up. You can see that we have the basic, the turbo, the rocket, and also the custom. These are going to be some speed modes that you can speed up your website. Now for the image optimization, you can find that it is going to optimize all the images. You can click on optimize now. It is going to take all the article images, and then it is going to compress them a little bit without losing the best quality. So it is going to be maybe not the best, but the high quality. After that, and also, but before that, you can revert all by having the original images if you do not like the quality. But as you can see here, we have a notifier, optimize image size while remaining the same quality. It is going to be a very good thing. You're going to have here the image optimized and everything. So for the Google structured data, you can have the organization, the local business, review snippet, product, breadcrumb for it, and all of these are going to help you out. Finally, the search appearance, and also we have more SEO tools. You can find the metadata or meta tags, basics, images, instant indexing, social networks, robots that will help you out to index your website, broken links manager. We have the SEO tools. You need to have the search or Google Search Console, site verification, image compression, sitemap generator, and etc. So that was pretty much it for the Avada SEO suite or the Avada SEO optimization. Everything is going to be in place into one only suite or one only image, not image, but basically a app. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.